Let's learn the Strat. Welcome, everybody. This is going to be my Strat for beginners video. In this video, we're going to talk about the uncoupling and how to draw it. Shouts out to the Strat Uchia for me having to watch this video several times to basically understand it. But once I learned how to draw them and really understood how it worked, then I kind of got it. Okay, so the uncoupling basically happens every month. It also happens on the quarter, so we'll keep that in mind. But quarters usually a bit different because quarters and months start the same for a while. So we're going to focus on the month down. All right, so this is when the month, the week, the day, and the hour give us a sense of who is in control. And the way that usually happens is, okay, I don't know why I can't take that off. But for instance, we're going to go to November. When the month opens on Tuesday, the month, the week, the day, the hour are all in conflict until the following Tuesday, because we have a new month, but we don't have a new week yet because the week started as last month, right? And so even though we have a new day, we don't have a new week. So the new week won't come until the following Tuesday. And that is the uncoupling. You need a new month, a new week, a new day, and a new hour that open separate from each other for it to uncouple. And then you can determine who is in control and really take your trades, have higher conviction trades off of time frame continuity. Okay, so times where it can actually, if it falls on a holiday, for instance, July 4th was on a Monday and it opened on, the month opened on a Friday, right? So normally if it opened on a Friday, you would think that the following Tuesday it would uncouple. But because this opened on a Friday, the following Tuesday it wouldn't uncouple because we were closed on Monday. So we wouldn't uncouple till that Wednesday, because you have the new month here, you have the new week, but then you won't have a separate day until that Wednesday in the second hour of the day. Okay, so you're looking for, when a new month starts, that following week, the following day, the second hour. That is when it uncouples for the month and you have a good direction of who is in control for the month. You can start taking trades, higher conviction trades. Okay, so let's break this down on how we can draw this. So starting here on the month with Kroger, we would draw where it opened on the month. Kroger opened here, right? So we're going to month open. And y'all know I like my month purple. So the month opened there. So then we would go down to the week. And remember, we are looking at November. So this is here is November. That's where the month opened. So the second week, because in November we open here, so we uncoupled here on the 8th. All right, so that would be here. So we will mark our weekly open. Weekly open here. Okay, and so once we have marked that, we go down to the day. And so remember, Tuesday is where the month opened. Okay, and so here's Monday. That's where we open for the week. Here's Tuesday. which is our uncoupling day. I'm going to mark that. And this is the day open. Tuesday open. And then once you have that marked, come down to the 1 hour. On Tuesday the 8th here. So here's 9:30, and here's where we uncoupled at. So this is the 2nd hour of the day on Tuesday. And now you have your levels marked. Okay, so you know that when we started the month, and you're here once you mark these levels, you know that when we started the month we were higher. So we're still red on the month, but we are green on the week. So it's in conflict here, correct? We break above, and you know at that point we are we have uncoupled and we have full time frame continuity on our side once this has moved up. But of course, you know, strong move, correct, come back down to the weekly open. So the month is still red, the week turns red slightly, and it comes back up and reverses. So, you know, you can let it iron all of this out, because remember, we're on the 1 hour chart. So, you know, you want to see bigger moves and maybe wait until it breaks back above after it irons all this out, which this is from November 9th to November 16th. It's about a week. And then once it breaks above, you know that you have full time frame continuity in your on your side. You can even possibly, well, this is an actionable signal here, but you know, if you found an actionable signal on the day or some other time frame, take it above that break, because you know that the month open is going to have full time frame continuity on your side. And consequently, you can hold it up until it starts breaking. Of course, this is a new month at this point. And so, for instance, we are in December now, December 2022. We just opened a new month here on December 1st. So how I would update this is we now have a new month here. The month open is now up here. Okay, so I know that so far for the month we are below the month open. I know that we will uncouple on Tuesday. So my hour open and my Tuesday open and my weekly open are all going to be different once Monday opens. Once Monday opens, I can draw my week, my day, and my week and my day on, well, my week on Monday. Draw your week on Monday where it opens, and then on Tuesday you draw your day, and then you draw your hour, and you will have uncoupled. So this, we can see that as long as it stays under this monthly open, we can play this to the downside. Use your strat signals. You have a 3, possibly a 3-2. You also have an outside trigger on the month and a target. So this is how you can use the uncoupling to see if buyers are still with Kroger and if it will continue to fall. Okay, so consequently, also when a new quarter starts, you should have drawn your quarter. So you would have known when it flips the quarter red as well. So this will have been on your chart, which it would have been for us from October 1st. And it would have stayed there so that we know when it will possibly flip the quarter red. This will be under the month open. And that also, yeah. So that is the uncoupling. Let us look at SPY. Y'all know SPY is big. But let us draw the quarter open just because it's way down there. Okay. So we're going to draw this quarter open. Just so we know where it is. It's way down near 361. We're like nowhere near there. All right. And so then we know we just started a new month, correct? And we haven't uncoupled yet. So we now have a monthly open that we are just barely below. Yes, we are just barely below this monthly open. And so we have it marked to see what will happen. And on Monday, we will mark a new week to see will it break above this monthly open and keep us going, or will we break below and we will have a new week and day and how we move that. So that's how you wait for the uncoupling right as it's about to happen. Let us go to last month to draw it again to see how you would have played it off of this quarter move and the next month uncoupling from the quarter. So your month open would be here. And then we go down to the week. And so October 1st was my birthday, but it was on a Saturday. So we did not uncouple until the 11th. Why? Because the first day of the month was on Monday. Okay, that was the first day of the month. It was also the first day of the week. So we do not have a separate opening here. Okay, so it does not uncouple until the following Tuesday, where we have a separate month opening and a separate weekly opening. So Tuesday the 11th. All right, so we have our quarter open. And our month open. Oh, we're looking at November. I was looking at October. Y'all, I'm sitting here like, what in the world? Forgetting that we're in December. I was like, what is going on? Okay, so we have our month open here. And here's our week open. So we didn't uncouple until the following week, like I was saying, which is the 13th. Oh, wrong one. November. The following week, which is the 8th. We didn't uncouple until then. So that would be here. Here's our week open. Okay, so we have our month, week, quarter. There is the day. So the week of Monday, there is Monday. Here is Tuesday. So we're going to mark our Tuesday open. Because remember, we need a separate opening. So it has to be Tuesday because Monday the week opened. All right, and then we're going to go down on the hour to November 8th, Tuesday. And here's the second hour, which is actually super tight with the first hour. Here we go, 10:30. Boom. So this is the hourly open. So look how tight that is. Okay, so we are here. And so with time frame continuity, we know that we are still above the quarter, but we're under the month. So time frame continuity at this point is just all red. So we want to see if it's going to continue or reverse. And we can see that it reversed hard. So by Wednesday, well, by Thursday actually, we had broken above the week and we had finally made the week green, but the month was still red. Of course, we broke above it. So at this point, we are now green on the quarter, the month, the week, the day, the hour, and we have full time frame continuity. So you can carry this trade until it goes. I mean, this is the end of the month, end of November, but this is how you would understand that the buyers took control here and they kept control. It never broke above this monthly open. It did come down, but it found support just above it and continued. So knowing that breaking above here, if you got in, say, here early, or even if you waited for this correction and then got back in here, you could have rode that. Okay, so looking at that on the day, it was here. So when it broke above on Thursday, you could have taken that. That would have been a high conviction trade, bullish trade, because we are above all of the opens. And you know that as long as we stay above this monthly open, we should stay green. So we're still above the month and it's still above the week. So hopefully that explains full time frame, well, the uncoupling for you guys and how you can draw it so that you can have higher conviction on your trades. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe.